Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will start the new chapter carbohydrate. Carbohydrate. You know the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate are most abundant organic molecule in the nature. The carbohydrate widely distributed in the both plant and animal tissue. They are primarily composed. They are primarily composed of the element. They are primarily composed of the element carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Now the carbohydrate having carbon, hydrogen and oxygen molecules. See, earlier I told you the carbohydrate is widely distributed in the plant kingdom and animal. Carbohydrate widely distributed in the plants and the animal tissues. Now in the plant, see the outside of the window, plant having the green color. Plant having the green color because of the chlorophyll. And the animal also having the carbohydrate in the form of the glucose and glycogen. They are in the tissues, animal tissues. The plant is having the green color due to the carbohydrate. Now the primarily it is composed, the carbohydrate contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Now it's a general formula. The general formula of carbohydrate is C raised to N CH2 bracket raised to N, or otherwise CH2O, that is N. See, it's a general formula of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is bracket CH2 bracket close N. Also you can write down C raised to N bracket H2O bracket close N. It's a general formula. See, the carbohydrate contain, it's having carbon, hydrogen and oxygens. Okay. Now in the plant, the green color is having the plant. See outside the window, the plant show is the green color. Why? See, in the atmosphere they release the carbon dioxide through the root. They absorb by water in the presence of sunlight. Okay. In the presence of sunlight, and the plant having the chlorophyll, and then they get the carbohydrate. They get the carbohydrate. Now they get the carbohydrate. See, in the plant, it may be you Marathi call as a Prakash Samshlesh Kriya. With the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight, that you call also UV light, UV rays, not light, UV rays. In the presence of chlorophyll, the plant having the green color, and then they get the carbohydrate. They are having the foods. In the animal, carbohydrate is a present in the tissue. The glycogen and the glucose, they are stored in the tissue. Now, the definition of carbohydrate, it's most important, always ask. Now, definition of carbohydrate. Define carbohydrate. Carbohydrate may be defined as polyhydroxy aldehyde or ketone or compound which produce them on hydrolysis. See the definition of carbohydrates. You can write down, you can take down these definitions. You prepared the notes. The carbohydrate may be defined as polyhydroxyaldehyde or polyhydroxyketone or compound which produce them at hydrolysis is called as the carbohydrate. The general formula, C raised to N H2O bracket complete, that's N. Okay, now it's a carbohydrates. That compound contain the polyhydroxy, it contain the many group of hydroxy along with the aldehyde or ketone on which them hydrolysis, उसका hydrolysis होता है वो कंपाउंड का, उसको बोलते हैं carbohydrate. Okay, the functions now. Functions of carbohydrates. Okay, now the first, they are most abundant dietary source of energy for all organisms. The carbohydrate is provided the source of energy in dietary, source of energy for all organisms. They are most abundant dietary source of energy for all organisms. आप खाना खाते वो खाने में से कार्बोहाइड्रेट अपने बॉडी को खाने में से एनर्जी मिलती एंड दिस एनर्जी गोज टू द ऑल ऑर्गेनिजम्स. Second, they act as a lubricant. Mucus in GIT. They act as a lubricant mucus in the GIT. Gastrointestinal tract में they act lubricant. You know the oil function in the engine, car engine and motorcycle engine. Same function, they act as a lubricant. Frictions should avoided. Then they protect the mucous membrane. Third, carbohydrate are precursor of many precursors for many organic compound. Example, fats, amino acids. इससे शुरुआत होती वो so many organic compounds. Example, fats and amino acids. The next function, it is required for cellular function. Now, cellular function such as cell growth and fertilization. It is required for cellular functions such as कौन से cell growth and the fertilizers. Okay. The next function, it is involved in formation of cell membrane or constituent of cell membrane. It is involved in cell membrane. Constituents. It is involved in cell membrane constituents. These are the functions. Okay. It is involved in cell membrane constituents. Next, it is the source as storage from energy to meet the immediate energy demand of body. Now, it is a source as storage the energy to meet immediate energy demand of the body. When body require, you don't take a food during the fast, bodies need the energy. At that time, their carbohydrate is provided the energy of the body. Then the glucose molecule is break down and they release the energy, that the glycolysis take place. Okay, then the metabolism of glucose molecule or glycolysis cycle, how they release the energy and they demand the fulfillment of the energy. Now these the functions of carbohydrates. Now cue the heading next is now the classification of carbohydrate. Now the next is topic classification. Always ask in the examination the classification of carbohydrates. Okay. Some books show sugar and the non-sugar. Now this carbohydrate is you prepared like that. You can take a landscape paper, write down in there in between the carbohydrate, make a chart separately. Carbohydrate is divided two parts. See, it's visible or not visible. Okay, it's divided in two parts. The last part is important. Okay, it's okay. Now this sugar or non-sugar. So many book you should refer the different books. This shows a different classification, but basically carbohydrate is sugar and the non-sugar. Sugar means you may call as a saccharide, and non-sugar is called as the non-saccharide. It's a saccharide. Sugar is a saccharide and the non-sugar is called as a non-saccharides. Now the sugar is the taste. You know the sugar taste is sweet, soluble in the water. They are the properties of the sugars. Now the non-sugar, it is insoluble in the water. It is tasteless, bitter, sometimes bitter in the taste. That's now the classification of carbohydrate. Again sugar, it can classify the following. It's a monosaccharide. Now the saccharide means part of the sugar. That's a saccharide. It's a monosaccharide. It contains mono. Afterwards you have to discuss. Now second classification, disaccharide, and the third classification, it's a third, it's classified is oligosaccharide. See, the mono that contain the one molecule of sugar, di it contain the two molecule of the sugar, same or different after hydrolysis them. It contain more than 3 to 10 molecule of the sugar, that is called as the oligosaccharides, and that is a non-sugar part is called as the polysaccharides. Now it's a classification. Like that you can prepare the chart. Now first you can discuss the monosaccharides. Okay, now see the monosaccharides. You make a chart, write down the points to you make this chart and write down those points you have discussed. Now monosaccharide you can write down here very briefly, same as a disaccharide, same as oligosaccharide, and prepare the big chart and stick up on your wall. See the classification of carbohydrate. Always ask example for write down the define and give its classification. Now discuss the monosaccharides. Today is a problem about adjustment of stand is big problem. Okay, now discuss the first C, monosaccharide. Monosaccharide. See the monosaccharide. Monosaccharide is a simple form of the sugar. It is a simple sugar. It is a simple sugar which cannot be hydrolysis. Hydrolyze into simple form. Monosaccharide, mono means is a single molecule. Mono, it indicates the single molecule of sugar. Saccharide means sugar. Mono is a single saccharide sugar, single molecule of the sugar. It is a simple sugar which cannot be hydrolysis them into the simple form. वो hydrolysis होता नहीं इसका, it's a वो simple form में आता. The definition of that, it is a simple sugar which cannot be hydrolysis, that's important, into simple form. The general formula, formula C raised to n in the bracket H2O raised to n. It's a general formula. Now it's a simple sugar unit. The monosaccharide are they are sugar unit. They are two major class. They are two major class. They are two major class of monosaccharide. Okay. first, aldose, second, ketose. The aldose form the sugar containing aldehyde group, sugar containing an aldehyde group are known as aldose. See the aldose, the sugar containing the group of aldehyde, that called as the aldose. Now the ketose, the sugar containing a ketone group, a sugar containing a ketone group are known as ketoses. Okay, now the examples. Now these, see, the monosaccharide are further divided into two classes, aldose and the ketose. The aldose group containing the aldehyde group and the ketone group contain the ketoses group contain the ketone group. Okay, now these are examples. Example of that: glucose, galactose, mannose, glyceraldehyde, etc. The example of the ketoses: dihydroxyacetone, dihydroxyacetone, fructose, another example. Okay, now these are the example. Another thing is depending on upon the number of carbon atom aldose and ketose are further classified. Now see the monosaccharide, again you have to briefly I can explain now. See very carefully. The monosaccharide, it is a simple form of the sugar which cannot be hydrolysis. इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस नहीं होता. Their general formula C raised to n bracket close in the bracket H2O raised to n. These earlier told they are simple sugar unit. They are two major class. Monosaccharide again further divided into two class, aldose and the ketosis. They are the class. The sugar aldose, in the aldose, the sugar containing aldehyde group are known as aldose. Ketosis, the sugar containing ketone group are known as a ketose. Example of the aldose is glucose, galactose, mannose, glyceraldehyde. Example of the ketose is the dihydroxyacetone and fructose. Now the next point is important. Depending upon the carbon atom, aldose and the ketose are further classified as depending upon the carbon atom, means the number of carbon atom having that compound, as per that they can further classify the aldose and the ketose group. Now first you can see the aldose sugar. Now first you can see the aldose sugar. Now aldose contain the aldehyde group. Now this group is called aldehyde. Okay, it's having the first example glyceraldehyde. It having the 3 carbon. Glyceraldehyde is CH2OH. It contains how much? Now this example is a triose. Triose means it's depending on the carbon atom. Triose 3 carbon. Kitne carbon? 3. Give the number 1, 2 and 3. The example of triose example is glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde is the basic nucleus of the aldose of monosaccharides. It is having the C. Aldose, why they called as aldose? Because is called it aldehyde group. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Aldehyde group. That's why it's called as a aldose. Okay. Now you can write down the aldoses. This is a similar manner. Same. Aldose sugar you can write down the aldehyde group in the different manner. C double bond O H C O H. Okay, then C O H H and H C. Same molecule, glyceraldehyde. Give the number 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon. That's why called the triose. That group is called like the aldehyde group. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Aldehyde group. You can write down both manner. This manner also and this manner also. C double bond OH and C H bond should be joined the C. That the aldose. Aldehyde you can write down the simple form CHO and C double bond H. Both are the same. COH H CH2OH CH2OH CH2 CH2 1 and 2. That's why the CH2OH. That's the same. You can write down this simplify manners. It's an example of the triose. Name of the compound is glyceraldehyde. क्या बोलते हैं इसका name? Is a glyceraldehyde. The next example of tetrose. Tetrose means the compound contain the 4 carbon. क्या करते हैं? It contain the 4 carbon. Before earlier you can see the triose, it contain the 3 carbon. Okay. Tetrose means it contain the 4 carbon. Example of that is the aldose. Now same, it contain the aldehyde group. It's a erythrose. It contain the 4. Tetrose contain the 4 carbon. The compound name is erythrose. It having the aldehyde group. कौन सा group है ये? Aldehyde group. That's why it's called as a aldose. And see the basic nucleus of that, the triose. Aldehyde group, and the remaining part of this last is the same. That's addition of the OH and H. What is carbohydrate? It having the polyhydroxy group. Polyhydroxy, that OH group called the hydroxy. The compound, those compound having the many hydroxy group, इसलिए उसको बोलते हैं carbohydrate. The polyhydroxy aldehyde or polyhydroxy ketone. Now in case of the monosaccharide, they contain aldehyde. They having the 1, 2, 3. That the 3. That's why it's called the monosaccharide. It's called the monosaccharide is classified as a carbohydrate. What is carbohydrate? Defined the carbohydrate may be defined as it contain the polyhydroxy aldehyde or ketone which on hydrolysis them उसका hydrolysis होता वो compound. It can further classify monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharides and the polysaccharides. Now you can see the tetrose as per the depending on classification, depending on the carbon atom. Now easy, you can also write down in the simple manner, same manner. See the aldehyde group, you can write down in such a manner. Both are the same. COH H COH, then again CH CH2OH. Check the configuration, check the valency, these are same. The name of the such a compound is erythrose. क्या बोलते इसको? The carbon contain erythrose. Okay, are you getting? Yeah, simple form. See, write down the aldehyde group. This such group called as a aldehyde. Okay, HOH COH H HCOH HCOH CH2OH CH2OH. The name of such compound erythrose because it contains the 4 carbon. That's why called as is a tetrose. Is an example of erythrose is a tetrose. Triose example is a glyceraldehyde. The next example, it's maybe asked in the examination. You just remember name of such compound, triose, tetrose. Now next should be the pentose. the sugar containing 5 carbon. Pentose, sorry, 1 minute, it's write down different. Okay. Again. Pentose, the sugar containing how many carbon? Pentose means 5 carbon. As per is further classify, write down the 5 carbon. A prepared like that, 1, 2, 3, then 4 and the 5. Now what is basic molecule? It contains the aldehyde group. What is the last? CH2OH and then HOH, HOH. Give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pentose is contain the 5 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Example of that, ribose. Those molecules contain the 5 carbon that called as a pentose. Sugar containing those having the aldose group, that's name is the ribose. Okay. Now, as per the depending on the classification on the carbon, and the last hexose is most important. Hexose, sugar containing 6 carbon is most important, and always those sugar containing 6 that call as the hexose. Example of that, glucose, galactose and mannose. Now these the 3 example of most always asked glucose, galactose. Structure of that is a hexose. This should contain the 6 carbon, that's what called the hexose. An example of the hexose is glucose, galactose and the mannose. Now all these group having the aldehyde group, and then see the structure of glucose. Write down first 6 molecule, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Now the last group having the CH2OH, they're the same, it's having the, then first here OH, H, OH, H, having the 6. As per that general formula contains 6 bracket close H2 6. काउंट करो अभी, ये 12 चाहिए, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. As per your general formula, check the all formulas. Now what is general formula? C raised to N bracket H2O raised to N. How many carbon of the glucose? 6. Write down the 6 there, formula, structural formula 6. How many the water molecule? 1, 2, 3. Write down there water 1, 2, 6. Write down the 6. Check it. 6 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. H2 6 into 2 12 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12, oxygen 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now it's a glucose. Formula of the glucose. What is glucose? C6 bracket close H2O, that is it's a structure and it's a molecular formula. C6 bracket close H2O6, that is the glucose molecules. Okay. You also write down in the previous manner. Pentose also aldehyde group. You can also write down now here also C double bond O and the H, COH. The H number is given 1, 2, 3, H, OH. You make a practice. Draw at the putty pencil 3, 4, 5 times. Then you can understand the structure. 4. Check any mistakes. Find out the mistakes. I can make silly mistakes. You can find out if there. If not there, okay. Then C, H, H, OH2. Now you can also write down in the aldehyde in the same manner, because in the Osazone test you can write down the glucose in the same manner. Then you can understand that process. You can write down such, remember only this formula, don't do like that. You can remember the both are the aldehyde, aldehyde. Now these are the glucose. Are you understand? This is the structure of the glucose and their formula of the glucose. Okay. The next structure, galactose. Now next structure, you can compare the three structures. Now see the galactose structure. The next structure, another example is a galactose. It also contains the aldehyde group. Is having the 6 carbon. That's why it's called the hexose. Write down 6 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6 CH2OH. Give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the 6. In the galactose, the hydroxy position carbon number 4 is changed as compared to the glucose. Now here H and OH is show anti-clockwise. OH is show the left hand side. In the galactose, glucose is show the OH is a right hand side. Check the difference. How to remember such a structure? It's not the major changes, it's a very minor changes. The carbon number 4, the formula are the same. Galactose, glucose, mannose, C6 bracket close water molecule raised to 6. The structural formula are the same, structure is different, that is called as the isomers. Now it's a galactose. Now one remain the mannose. यार मैंने structure निकाला, but see the again structure of the galactose. Galactose contain the 6 carbon. Okay, that's why called the hexose. Write down 1, 2, 3 4 5 6. It's okay, 6 carbon. Now galactose having the aldehyde group, that's why it's called category in the aldones. Now compared to the glucose and the galactose, the molecular formula is same. Glucose and the galactose molecular formula are same. See, C6 bracket H2O6 is a glucose, and the galactose, now here galactose C6 H2O bracket close 6, that is galactose. The molecular formula are same, structure is different. Structure is different. The carbon number 4 in the glucose, the carbon number in the glucose is 4th position and is exact opposite. It should be happen in the glucose, the carbon number 4, and galactose is having the change. Okay. Now the next structure, mannose. Because he is asked in the annual examination, draw the structure of hexose, glucose, mannose, galactose. How can you differentiate? You must remember these are the hexose structure are the different but formula are the same. Mannose C HO, write down 1 2 3 4 5 6 CH2OH H hydroxy group E there. Now here is hydroxy group is change, carbon number 3. Previously is the hydroxy number change in the carbon number 4. H OH, the H OH and the H. Now here previously galactose change, carbon number 4 compared to the glucose. Now here is change, carbon number 3. Hydroxy group is change. The structure are different, is the formula are same. Okay. Now C6 H2O bracket close 6, this is the mannose. Okay, thank you.